Excuse me, where is the ticket counter?
It's over there, next to platform 1.
Thank you. I need to buy a train ticket.
You're welcome. The counter is open now.
Great. This is my first time traveling alone.
Don't worry. The signs are easy to follow.
That's good to know.
Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good morning. I'd like a ticket to Delhi, please. One way, a round trip. One way, please. When would you like to travel? Today, on the next train. That'll be 250 rupees. Here you are. Thank you. Here is your ticket. Thanks for your help. Have a nice trip. Excuse me, what time does the train leave? It leaves at 10:30 a.m. Is it on time? Yes, it is running on schedule. That's great. Please arrive at the platform early. How early should I arrive? About 15 minutes before departure. Thank you. You're welcome.
Excuse me. Which platform is for Delhi?
It's platform 4.
Are you sure? Yes, I checked the display board. Thank you for helping me.
No problem.
I don't want to miss my train.
Just follow the signs.
I will. Thanks again.
Safe travels.
Excuse me, how do I get to platform 4?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only a short walk.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate your help.
Happy to help.
Have a good day.
You too.
Is this seat free? Yes, you can sit here. Thank you. Are you traveling far? Yes, I'm going to Delhi. That's a nice city. I'm excited to visit it. I hope you enjoy your trip. Thank you. You're welcome.
Is this the train to Delhi?
Yes, it is.
Which coach should I enter?
Coach B is yours.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
Can I board now?
Yes, please get on quickly. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your journey.
Excuse me, where is seat 25?
That's near the window.
Oh, I see it now.
Is this your first train trip?
No, but it's my first solo trip.
That's exciting.
Yes, it is.
Have a comfortable journey.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
May I see your ticket, please?
Sure.
Here it is. Thank you. Everything looks fine. Great. Keep your ticket with you.
I will.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Does this train stop at Ghaziabad? Yes, it does. How long until we arrive? About 30 minutes. Thank you. No problem. I don't want to miss my stop. I'll let you know when we get close. That's very kind. Happy to help. Excuse me, I think I'm lost.
How can I help you?
I can't find my platform. Let me check your ticket. Here it is. Your train leaves from platform 6. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I really appreciate it. Have a safe journey.
Is this Delhi Station?
Yes, we've arrived.
Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome.
I enjoyed the journey.
That's nice to hear.
Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
How much is the fare to Central Station?
It's 50 rupees.
That's reasonable.
Would you like a return ticket?
No, thank you.
Okay,
Here is the money.
thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
I missed my train! Don't worry, another train leaves soon. Really? That's good news! Yes, it leaves in 20 minutes. Can I use the same ticket? Yes, you can. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. I feel much better now. Glad to hear that.
Why is the train delayed?
There is a signal problem.
How long will the delay be?
About 15 minutes.
Thank you for the update.
You're welcome.
I hope it leaves soon.
It should be on its way shortly.
That's good.
Thank you for your patience. Hello. Is this seat taken? No. It's free. Thank you. Where are you traveling? I'm going to Agra. That's wonderful. What about you? I'm heading to Delhi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Have a great trip.
Would you like some snacks?
Yes, please. What do you have? Chips, sandwiches, and juice. I'll take a sandwich and juice. That will be 120 rupees. Here you go. Thank you. Thanks. Enjoy your meal. I will.
Excuse me, where is the exit gate? Go straight ahead. Is it near the main hall? Yes, right beside it. Thank you. You're welcome. I found it easily. That's great. Have a good day. You too. You too.
Finally, I'm home.
Welcome back. How was your trip?
It was wonderful and exciting.
Did everything go smoothly?
Yes, I bought tickets, found my train, and arrived safely.
That's great.
I learned many useful English phrases too.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Let's celebrate your successful journey.